In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Spotify desktop link. If you want to share something directly from the Spotify desktop app, the good news is that it's very quick and easy. This method works whether you're trying to copy a link for a song, a playlist, an album, or even an artist or profile. Once copied, the link will be saved to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you need, like in a message, email, document, or social media post. To get started, open the Spotify desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop application and not the web player in your browser, since the layout and options can be a little different. Once the app is open, log into your Spotify account if you haven't already. After you're signed in, you'll be ready to find the content you want to share. Next, locate the song, playlist, album, or artist that you want to copy the link for. You can do this by using the search bar, browsing your library, or opening something you were already listening to. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item, especially if there are multiple versions of the same song or similar playlist names. Once you've found the item, click on it. This will open a menu with several options related to that song, playlist, album, or profile. In that menu, look for the Share option and click on it. A smaller submenu will appear with sharing choices. From there, click the option that matches what you're copying. For example, you may see Copy Song Link, Copy Playlist Link, or Copy Album Link. If you're sharing an artist or profile, the wording may be slightly different, but the process is the same. As soon as you click that option, Spotify will copy the link automatically. At this point, the link is now copied to your clipboard. That means you can paste it right away by using your normal paste command on your computer. If you want to double check it worked, you can paste the link into a note or message first before sending it, and that's it. That's how to get a Spotify desktop link quickly and easily from the Spotify desktop app. Once you know where the share option is, copying links for music, playlists, albums, and profiles becomes a simple part of using Spotify.